contact the correct politician.
Oh, bless you.
The hell was that? Who was that? You, KJ? Right. What the fuck is that?
Jesus Christ.
Now he's trying to cough in a manly fashion to offset that ridiculous pixie sneeze.
One box for a machine gun. Oh, what the fuck was that?
That's the sound he makes! Are you hearing that? It's ridiculous. Sounds like Tinkerbell having a fucking orgasm. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh, more than you'll ever understand.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh god, that felt so good.
That was not a fucking sneeze.
It was a sneeze. Real men don't need their sneezes to sound masculine.
Real men just fucking sneeze. Real men don't sound like a fairy having a stroke.
Well, maybe I'm the fucking manliest fairy that you've ever seen in your life.